So hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first video on my channel, so please subscribe it and please like the video as well. That gives me motivation to upload more videos. And on this channel I'll be uploading programming videos related to Python and Python programming, and we'll be creating many projects with it. So without any more delays, let's get started. So today we are going to create a basic calculator that can do the basic arithmetic operations that are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so let's get started. The first command I am typing is a hash that just turns the line into a comment, and now we'll just assign variables like a equal our input, enter first number, okay, and hit enter. B equals input, our input, enter second number. Okay, so now what we need to do is we have to assign one more variable. We have to first convert them into the float form, because what if someone just tries to add two decimal numbers like 32.32 and 34.55, okay, then it will just simply give us an error that we can't convert this into integer because this is a float floating number, float point number. Okay, so convert a into float, and b equals float of b as well. Now we need to assign c a list. Okay, so what it will print. Okay, actually I think we should assign it a tuple. Let's see. Okay, now what we need to do is one. Okay, addition, comma, like, yeah. Now here, what if I add a backslash n? Okay, now 2 subtract subtraction, okay, backslash n here as well, comma. Since it's a tuple, we need to add commas at the end. Okay, it will be multiplication, okay, backslash n here as well, comma, and 4, comma, division, backslash n, okay, and a comma here as well. Save it and let's run it and let's see what we get. And the first number, let's say 32.3, 32.4. Now let's say 32.3. We did not print it. It was like fine. These two commands are working fine. Okay, print C. Okay, and save it. Then let's now run. Let's say it's 32.2 and it's 34.4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 subtract. Okay, so it will print like that. No, but like it's not looking that much good. So what we should do is we should just change it to list from a tuple. Okay, for doing that you can do like 1, comma, addition, a comma, 2 subtraction, okay, comma, 3 multiplication, and the same with the division as well. We'll assign division the value 4 and division. Okay, so it's looking great till here. It should not give us any error till now. But now what we'll do, we'll assign one more variable, our input, for selecting the operation. That we've selected which operation. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? So let's say enter your operation. Enter. Okay, so convert it into integer form as well. D equals to integral form of D. Okay, so now what we need to do, we will start the if statement here. If bracket D equals to 1, okay, comma, since we have assigned 1 the addition, then we'll print A plus B. Okay, as simple as that. And control C, enter, V, control V and enter, control V, enter, control V. Okay, so just change the number and the function, that what it will do. A minus B, A multiply by B. Okay, and now A divided by B. Okay, save it, and now let's run and let's see what do we get. Let's I mentioned 32, let's say 3, 1024 point. And this was all in today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and please like the video and comment me down below that what all are the other topics on which I shall make a video. See you guys in the next video.